All right, guys, we're gonna get this mess scooped out and cleaned out, and then we'll jump into power washing it.
Well, the socket.
Is it? Is it a 10 millimeter?
I don't know. It's too rusty to tell. I don't think so.
Save the money. It goes back in our budget. I'll go get the hose and everything ready.
Start spraying this down.
Yeah, you can use that. Try to get the. Look at that. She shines up pretty good. Don't worry about getting the power, because that's what the power washer does. Just try to get it. This is gonna be a mess. Hey, hold up. Get it wet. Get all that. Dip it down in there. Get it all soapy and wet. Looks like it's gonna work. Hey, comment below if you got anything that would like mold killer or stuff we should put in this before we put the tank in. I think this is just years of not setting out with no cover. And some of y'all were like, why you even bother with this old of a boat? Just go buy a new one. Prices are new ones, I just don't want to do it. If we can make this boat, clean it up, make it look nice, and put us on the water and fish for, I'd say, well less than half of a new boat, why not do it? Save the old boats. Already looks way better. If you come back here, it's easier, Kyle. You can push down, up and down.
Yeah.
You're not reaching over. Well, there's 10 minutes of cleaning. We got half of it. Just taking some elbow grease. Get back at it. That's some heavy stains. Is it gonna be worth it, Kyle?
Huh?
Is it gonna be worth it? I'm talking about the boat. The whole boat when we're done.
Will it be worth it?
Yeah.
All the trouble we went through?
We might need to get some cleaner, stronger soap too, like some actual Simple Green or some Purple Power. And once again, folks, this is the reason why you got to have a bolt cover. The stuff that was under this tank was just dried up, rotten leaves that turned back to dirt. There's those people that think, oh, it's a boat. It doesn't need a cover. It's supposed to get wet. It's supposed to get wet on the outside, people, not on the inside. Get you a boat cover. I know some stuff to clean it, but I think I threw it away. Go get you some Ajax or some Comet. It's gonna smell good for a while.
Yep.
All right, we got to try to get this out so we can clean the drain out. The drain is stopped up. So much stuff we've washed out there and so much stuff that's in back here probably. So I think we can just pop out all these screws and pull it out. Dang, that's heavy. These aren't very big. I can't pull it up one-handed. That's a good chunk of aluminum right there.
Doing scavenger hunting in there.
Alright. I mean, if you can lay it off to the side so we can get down in there and clean out, that's fine too.
Yeah, you can just lay it off to the side.
I wonder how hard it would take those pumps out. And use the pumps as drains too.
Probably don't even work. Probably not enough water
What?
to pump out.
No, I'm not talking pumping it out. I'm talking about letting it drain out the holes, because there's the drain holes right there. And that goes through, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
If you take that out, there's more holes back there. Since we're going to clean all that out, looks like you got to take the... It comes out from around the inside. Looks like you're going to have to lay in there upside down one day. Ah, stuck in my beard.
That starts to drain.
Huh?
Starting to drain.
I think the drains are here. I think that's the drain right there. Yeah, the drain's up there.
So
That's the drain.
we've already got most of the water.
I don't know. You got these two pump holes, whatever those are, live wells maybe, and then these back here. That's gonna be a nightmare. Well, I try to look at you, but the sun's right in my eyes. But that's gonna be it for the day. We're gonna put it all back together. I mean, just put stuff down here and I'll put it together. Put the tank back in, put the cover on, and we're gonna call it a day. We'll see you tomorrow.